Assalamu alaikum. This is inspiring Syed Masroor. I will share a few more lessons in this episode. Lesson number 1. Young people, they are the hope of any nation, any family. So ignite their hope, their trust, their enlightenment, encourage them, support them in their difficult time, because eventually they have to take the beacon of the future in their hands. They are the future. So support the young people in their difficult times. Don't give them unnecessary lectures. They will get bored because today's generation is totally different. Lesson number 2. Take care of your daughters. For me, my daughters, they are the light in my life. They are the reason of peace and happiness in my life. Be kind, be compassionate, be caring, be loving with your daughters. They are the reason, and eventually when you are in your difficult time, your daughters will be there to support you. Lesson number 3. I have seen the blood relations in real time. People change their behaviors, they change their intentions, they change their decisions based on their own whims, dispositions, their interests, their likings and dislikings. This is quite natural, but at the same time it is amazing to see in real time. It is cementing my belief in temporariness of everything, because your relationships remain intact till the time the mutual interest is there. You will find very few relationships in your life which are selfless and they are sincere, they are loving, they are kind through and through, whether it is a difficult time, it is a good time, it is a happy time. Lesson number 4. Sometimes you are surprised to see your positive emotions which are at peak. If it is so, enjoy the moment. It means your inner self is at peace, it's being happy, it's being satisfied. This is more important. Lesson number 5. Share knowledge as much as you can. One day you will no more be there, but your knowledge sharing, your philosophical contribution and your good to the people, it will remain alive. People will remember it. So you try to share the knowledge, try to do the good as much as you can. Lesson number 6. If you feel that despite your best efforts a relationship is not working, it's better to stay away from such kind of relationship, because it will take away your peace, it will disturb your smooth sail of life, it will disturb your family life. All the relationships really not very important if those are not working. So these were some of the lessons that I wanted to share in this episode. I hope it will benefit my viewers. Please take care of yourself. We will talk to each other again. Allah Hafiz.